Greetings to everybody watching this video. Today I am here to talk to you as a student and as a member of the initiative called Make a Difference. I want you to understand that the situation that we face today is much a result of our own complacent attitude and own irresponsible behavior. And therefore, it calls for a lot of support, a lot of strength, and a lot of patience to be exercised by everybody. I think that through this initiative, we have been able to help at least 5 people, and I believe with your support, we'd be able to help many more. What we must understand is that every individual needs to take the charge of himself, his and his family. By doing so, we'll be able to manage the humongous population the country today has, and it is not in the hands of the few people who are responsible for the administration. It is a responsibility, a collective responsibility of every individual who is conscious and aware of the situation that we face today. Today, we must also understand that all of us are equally vulnerable to the danger that we face, and none of us can be called safe. The only ones who are relatively safe are the ones who are making a conscious effort to remain or to be that way. I urge you to help the social organizations, the NGOs, the initiatives, student initiatives like ours, and all the organizations that have been working to provide resources to the ones in need, to the patients of COVID-19. You can simply help by verifying contacts. Verifying one contact and sharing that one contact with an organization that you are connected with, or who you are close to, or you are aware of, would help extremely in terms of regulating the resources and providing the ones in need with the resources. Whatever resources that we have today need to be regulated, and that is what we need to understand. There are dots available, there are so many dots. What we need to do is to join them in a manner that makes the most sense. I believe through this initiative and other initiatives which are active all over the country, we'll be able to come out of this together as a nation, as a team, and I believe we will come out much more responsible, much more compassionate, more sensitive as a nation and as the citizens, as responsible citizens of this world. I wish the best to everybody. I wish the best of health to you and your families. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.